In myth and legend, the noble knight is a symbol of valor, dedication, and adventure. The Knight of Pentacles tarot card is not far off from this popular archetype. He symbolizes perseverance, ambition, and the importance of consistency and commitment in achieving one's goals. In its upright position, the card signifies the positive presence of these values and characteristics. For example, in the context of love, the upright position indicates a developing and committed romance, while in a career context, it indicates that hard work and dedication will pay off. Conversely, when the Knight of Pentacles card appears in its reversed position, it may indicate apathy, stubbornness, or a lack of self-discipline. For example, in the context of love, the reverse position may indicate that the relationship is moving too slowly due to a lack of commitment, while in a career context, it could suggest a poor work-life balance. For personalized tarot readings and guidance, you can consider consulting keen expert spiritual advisors, allowing you to discover more about yourself through a personalized tarot reading.